Welcome back to this channel. If this is your first time, make sure you subscribe, like the video and turn on your notification bell for more content like this. So in this video, I will show you how you can create different types of staircase by sketching. So pay attention as we dive into it. In creating staircase, two things you should note is the headroom and the riser height. If your headroom should be 3 meters, you divide the headroom by the riser height, for instance 150 or any number below or above it, to get the number of stairs. So in this video, I'm going to be creating different types of staircase. As you can see, one thing I always do is that I sketch the staircase using annotate before I go into creating them. You can also do it, I think it's easier doing it that way. So let's start. Go to architecture, go to staircase. In creating staircase by sketching, you have to note three things, which is the boundary line, the riser and the stair path. So we're going to be tracing out what we have sketched already. So the first thing I'm going to do is tracing out the boundary lines. So click on pick line. So this is the boundary line. The next thing is riser. Let's pick the risers. As you can see, the boundary line appears to be green while the riser is black, so note that. So after the riser, the next thing we are going to do is the stair path. That is the path that the stair will follow. We draw the stair path. Can finish. As you can see, we have created the staircase. We can view that in 3D. This is the double flight straight staircase. So let's go into the next one. Go to architecture. We repeat the same process. can see what we have created. Let's move to the next. Repeating the same process. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Subscribe, comment, like the video, and turn on your notification bell. And one thing you should also note is that some of these stairs you may not be able to create them using monolithic type of staircase. So let's try using the disabled or industrial and assembly. You can see what we have created. Okay, let's adjust this. Click on this there. Change the tense one. Yeah, I think this is okay now. Let's go to the last but not the least. Repeating the same process. And again, the angle of this staircase For the spiral one, what I use here is 30 degrees. It also depends on your riser height. You can check out how to calculate that. This is spiral stair. Let's adjust this. So as we can see, we have created the staircases. So tell me in the comments the type of staircase you want me to create in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, share the video, and turn on your notification bell for more content like this. Thank you.